Hey there, fellow deal hunters. Welcome to this quick guide on how to cancel an order on Groupon in 2025. If you've ever snagged a deal and then had second thoughts, don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. It's straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at managing your purchases. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Groupon account. Head over to the Groupon website or app and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the My Groupons or Orders section. It's usually right on the homepage or in the menu. This is where all your active deals and purchases are listed. Now, find the specific order you want to cancel. Scroll through your list or use the search function if Groupon has one by 2025. Once you spot it, click on the order details. Here's a key tip. Not all orders can be canceled, especially if they've already shipped or the merchant doesn't allow it, so check the status first. If cancellation is an option, look for a Cancel Order button or link. It's often prominent in red or with a clear label. Click that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Groupon might ask why you're canceling, so feel free to select a reason or skip if it's not required. After confirmation, you should get an email verification that your order has been canceled, and any payments might be refunded to your original method. One more thing. If you run into any issues, like the button isn't there or something's gone wrong, reach out to Groupon's customer support. They have a chat feature or help center that's super helpful. And remember, acting quickly is best for cancellations to avoid any complications. There you have it. That's how to cancel an order on Groupon in 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and deal-saving advice. See you next time.